Hey guys, it's Purav from PDTechHD. Some of you may know that I went to the Windows Phone 8 London launch event this past Monday, and this video will be a first look at the Samsung ATIV Tab, so let's get started.
The Samsung ATIV Tab, which is a Windows RT tab, running Windows 8 RT. Main differences between Windows RT and Windows 8 Pro is the fact that when you go into desktop mode here, the only apps you can run is Office, File Explorer and Internet Explorer 10. Otherwise, all use of the tab is designed around the new start screen. So the new live tiles and live interface is all present on here. You've got access to the Windows Store, Xbox Music, as well as your Office capabilities, and then we move into sort of Samsung apps, which is our same with our Ativ S handset, some of the differentiators. So really, this is where Windows RT comes into its own. And as you probably saw just there, I have sort of a split screen multitasking going on. So if I've got my internet, by swiping from the right hand side, I can make my screen, I can split my screen into sort of two, so I can have two things running at once. So in this case, this would have been my mail, but that would be running there whilst I'm browsing the internet. So I can be checking my email whilst looking at something online. Really, really useful. And then I can obviously change the size of that. So I can reduce the web, or if I need to check on something larger in my inbox, so maybe look at a picture or something. And then to go back, what we do is press the start button. These apps will be running in the background, but in suspended state. So very, very useful. From the right, we've got our charm bar, which brings up all of our sharing options, device search. And if we click into search, we can just search the device just by typing. So it comes up with all our apps here, whether that's new apps or whether it's desktop apps like Office. All of that stuff is included here. But we can search using that. So if we go back, here we go. So yeah, live tiles is the main thing here. Obviously, Windows RT tabs are pretty difficult to differentiate. Samsung, we've got our front-facing speakers, dual stereo surround sound speakers, and like most of them, we've got a range of connectivity. So we've got a micro SD card slot, which takes up to a 64 gig memory card. You've then got a micro HDMI port and a full USB 2.0 port, and your volume rocker, power button, and your 3.5mm jack. And then on the bottom, we've got a proprietary dock, which will also clip into one of our versions of smart covers. So yeah, it's really, really clever. Windows RT obviously is massive. We expect consumers to really work with the familiarity of this device. Once they start updating to Windows 8, they'll really see, okay, this device looks similar to my PC, functions similar to my PC. I can get all my apps that I get on my PC from the Windows Store on there. All I need to do is sign into my Microsoft account. I can use my messaging, I can use SkyDrive, all of those capabilities that I'm used to on my Windows 8 PC, it's all on my tab. And obviously we've got Samsung branding, quality and branding, what people will come to expect from Samsung. And one of the key things with us is, we build Windows 8 devices of all kinds. So we've got an Ativ S Windows Phone, ATIV Tab Windows RT Tab, we've got a Windows 8 Pro Tab, and then we've got our Windows 8 desktops and Windows 8 all-in-ones. So we've got everything across the whole range to really appeal to all consumers of every kind. And then, that ecosystem, everything can be shared through that Microsoft account, through SkyDrive, and you still get some of your Samsung features, Family Story, Samsung Chat On, which is our instant messenger service, all of that across those devices. So yeah.
When is the Samsung Touch cover coming?
We have no idea, unfortunately. Okay. We also have no idea on availability of these devices yet. We've only got a couple of these in the UK at the moment for today's event. Other than that, details are pretty scarce. Okay,
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the first look video of the Samsung ATIV Tab. If you did, please hit that like button and let me know in a comment what you thought of the tablet. You'll see my previous video on your screens now, which was the Microsoft Surface with Windows 8 RT tablet first look, so please check that out. And before that, I did do a first look video of the HTC 8X running Windows Phone 8, so check that on my channel as well. Please do subscribe for more Windows Phone 8 coverage, including the HTC 8S and Samsung ATIV S first look videos, as well as an in-depth look at Windows Phone 8 operating system itself. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.